This is the before and this is the after.
Hey everyone, this is Famta. I'm back with another customization video, and today I'm going to be customizing Ubuntu 20.10 on kde-plasma-desktop. So I'm going to try to give it an aesthetic look, try to give it a clean look. So let's go to the terminal. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install kde-plasma-desktop. So what I have to do is type 3 lines of commands. So the first one is sudo apt update. So once that is done, clear that. Now the second command, sudo apt upgrade, press Y. Now this is going to take a few minutes. Okay guys, so once that is done, I'm going to type the third command, which is, let me just clear it first. So the third command is sudo apt install kde-plasma-desktop. Press enter, and I'm going to press Y and press enter. And again, this is gonna take a few minutes. So guys, I'm gonna press OK now, and I'm gonna select GDM3. So I'm gonna press enter. Okay guys, so once this is done, I'm gonna close the terminal and I'm gonna just restart my computer. Okay guys, so I'm at the login screen now, and from here I'm gonna choose my username. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this wheel icon on the right bottom corner. So select here, and I'm going to select plasma, and I'm going to just type my password. That is it. So guys, this is the kde-plasma desktop, and I'm going to just start the customization now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install a latte dock, and this is going to be a floating dock. So I'm going to type latte dock, go to the GitHub page. And from here I'm going to just quickly download the zip folder, the zip file, okay, and it has downloaded. Now I'm going to scroll down, and at the bottom I'm going to go to installation instructions. So I'm going to click on that, and from here I'm going to just quickly copy these commands and go to the terminal and paste it over here. Press enter, put my password, press enter, press enter. Now once that is done, I'm going to copy the second command, go to the terminal, paste it, press enter, and that is done. Now the third command, copy, paste, and this fourth command here, I'm going to copy that too and paste it over here. Press enter, press Y. Now these are the dependencies that we're going to need to run the latte dock. So I'm going to wait for it to finish. So now once that is done, I'm going to go to the browser again, and this time I'm going to search for Ubuntu dependency and go to this community.kde.org page, and I'm going to scroll down. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole command. I'm going to copy this whole command and then go to the terminal and clear everything and paste it over here. I'm going to press enter. So this is showing me this error that unable to locate package, these 4 packages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these 4 packages from this command and run the command again. So to remove these 4 commands, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the text editor and paste that command here, and I'm going to copy these 4 package names and I'm gonna search it here. So I'm gonna press F control and paste it. So this is gonna search the package name for me. So I'm gonna just quickly remove that from the command. Now I'm gonna do that for the second package as well. Copy, go here, Control F, paste it, remove it. Then the third command, copy, Control F, paste, remove, and the last one, copy, Control F, paste. Now once that is done, I'm gonna copy this whole command now. Copy and go to the terminal again, clear that. Okay, so I'm gonna paste the new command here and I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, this is running perfectly this time, so I don't need that anymore. So I'm gonna just close that and I will see you in a few minutes. So guys, I would really appreciate if you support my work by subscribing to my channel. That would be really helpful. And yeah, let's just wait for this to finish. Okay guys, so once this is done, I'm gonna just close it, close the terminal, and go to the downloads directory, and this is the latte doc zip file that I have downloaded. So I'm gonna quickly extract it. So I'm gonna just quickly extract it, extract to, select. Now let's go inside the folder, and from here I'm gonna just right click, open terminal here, and I'm gonna just type sh install.sh, press enter, and this is gonna start installing the latte doc. So it is asking me to type my password, so I'm gonna type that and press enter, and that is it. So I'm gonna clear that, close the terminal, close everything, and I'm gonna search for latte. I'm gonna click on that, and the latte doc should be here. Just wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it is here. So this is the latte doc. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna install a latte doc theme. So it looks kind of ugly right now, so I'm going to just quickly install a theme. So I'm going to search for latte doc edna and go to the store.kde. By the way, you can find all the links in the description below. So here I'm going to just download the file, edna layout. So this is basically a layout for latte doc. Let's close the browser, and this is the layout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the doc. By the way, let me just quickly put the old panel aside. So I'm going to click edit panel, and I'm going to remove it on the left side. Okay, so back to the new panel. So I'm going to right click, go to layouts and manage layouts, and from here I'm gonna click on import and go to the downloads directory and select the layout that I have just downloaded, and I'm gonna click apply, and I'm gonna click switch, and this is gonna switch to the new layout. Okay, so it is here. So this is the new layout, so I'm gonna just close that. Now let's remove the old panel. Now that I have a new panel, so I'm gonna just remove this one. Okay, so this is the new panel. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna install a theme. So I'm gonna go to the system settings, go to global themes, search for a new global theme, and I'm gonna type harmony. Okay, so from here I'm gonna download this one, harmony. So after I install that, I'm gonna quickly apply the theme. Okay, so next I'm going to go to the plasma style, and as you can see, this is already harmony selected. Then I'm going to go to the application style and go to the window decorations. So let's just leave it as it is for now. I'm going to go to the colors. So this is going to be harmony dark, and then I'm going to go to the icons, and from here I'm going to search for a new icon. So I'm going to search for MCMUSE. So I'm going to install this one, then this second one, install. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to close it and search for the icon that I have just installed. So this is the one, so I'm going to click apply. So as you can see, the icons have changed. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to go back now, and then I'm going to go to the startup and shutdown, and I'm going to choose harmony version 3. This looks nice, so I'm going to apply that. My password, splash screen, harmony is already selected, so no need to change that. I'm going to go back. So let's go to the application style again, window decoration, and I'm going to search for harmony here as well. And I'm gonna download this one and also this one. So let's close it. Now let's go to the title bar buttons, and I'm gonna remove this one and click apply. So everything is kind of done here. So now I'm gonna go to the software center, and here go to the applications, and I'm gonna search for kvantum, and I'm gonna install kvantum manager. So quickly install that. So once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go to the browser this time, and this time I'm gonna search for a kvantum theme, which is Harmony. So I'm gonna scroll down, go to files, download the zip file, save file. Okay, so once I have downloaded that, I'm gonna close it, go to the downloads directory. So this is the file that I've just downloaded. I'm gonna right click and just quickly extract it. So once I've extracted that, I'm going to close it, and this time I'm going to search for kvantum manager, and I'm going to select a kvantum theme folder, go to the downloads directory, and I'm going to select Harmony, click OK, install this theme. Then I'm going to go to change or delete theme. So here I'm going to select Harmony and click on use this theme. So once that is done, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to go to the system settings and go to the application style, and I'm going to select kvantum dark. Okay, so let's go to the file manager, and as you can see, it is kind of transparent now, which looks pretty cool. So let's just quickly do some customizations here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna hide this, then right click and unlock this top toolbar and place it on the left side, then right click and text position icons only, then deselect the show previews option. Okay, so what else? Okay, let's not show this one. Then right click and configure toolbar. Let's remove the expanding spacer, click apply. So this looks pretty good now. I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, so I'm done customizing the file manager, and so I'm going to close it, and let's just customize this dock over here. So I'm going to right click, edit dock, and I'm going to go to the advanced and go to appearance. Then from here, let's do some settings. So I'm going to do that, length, this will be fine. Go to margins, so let's make it float a little bit. And what else? Let's turn down the opacity. This should be good. Radius to 100%. Okay, so this should be good, like this one. Okay, so let's just quickly move this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some settings on the top panel. So right click and edit panel. So okay, so I'm going to go to the margins section over here. This looks all right. Sorry about that. Okay, so the radius 100%, opacity, this should be good, and yeah, this is kind of all right. So I'm going to quickly add some applications down here so that it doesn't look so empty. So let's just quickly do that. So guys, as you can see, I have put some random applications over here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go to the system settings and go to application style and go to GDK application style, and from here I'm going to search for Harmony. Okay, so I'm gonna install Harmony Dark. Okay, so once this is done, I'm gonna close it, and from here I'm gonna select Harmony Dark and Harmony Dark, click apply, and this should change the application styles. Yeah, so let's go ahead and close it. So guys, we are pretty much done here, I think. So everything looks pretty clean. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna add a clock on the screen. So I'm gonna right click on the panel and click add widgets, and I'm going to go to the get new widgets, click download new plasma widgets, and I'm going to search for clock, and I'm going to download this one, is split digital clock, and let's go ahead and add the clock. So I'm gonna put it in the middle over here, make it a bit bigger. This should be fine. Now let's add a digital clock at the top panel here. Why is it on the left side? Let's put it, so I'm gonna put it here, and this looks pretty nice. Okay, so what else? So the last thing, which is the wallpaper. So without the wallpaper, it won't look so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly download a wallpaper. Let's go ahead and download this one. My internet connection is very slow. Okay, so once I have downloaded the wallpaper, I'm going to right click and configure desktop and change the wallpaper. So I'm going to add image, go to the downloads folder, and I'm in directory and choose it. So this is the wallpaper that I have downloaded, and I'm going to apply it, and yeah, so this looks pretty nice. Well, there's one more thing that I have to do, and that is customize the terminal. I forgot the terminal, because this is very important to customize the terminal. So I'm going to right click and go to edit current profile, and I'm going to go to appearance, and I'm going to go to get new. I'm going to search for Harmony again, and I'm going to download this one. So it's done. Close it and search for Harmony. So this is the one. Apply. So let's see how it looks. This is how it looks. So I'm going to go to the edit and background transparency. Okay, this looks all right. So this looks pretty clean, I guess. You can do a little bit more tweaking if you want, like I can add some virtual desktops here at the top right here. So to make it work, I have to add some virtual desktops. So I'm gonna scroll down and go to actually type for virtual. So yeah, this is the virtual desktops, and I'm gonna add a few. Apply. So as you can see, these are the virtual desktops. So yeah, I need to fix that transparency again. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe, totally up to you, but I would really appreciate if you do, and I will see you in the next one.